Hello everybody. Today I would like to show my teaching and learning activities in order to implement differentiation learning in English language lesson, especially in narrative text. My name is Mr. Pamang Budiarjo. I am the English teacher at SMA Tubanjar. This is the learning objective of my learning activities. Okay, let's start the video. Hello student, how are you today? Are you okay everybody? Yeah. Before we start our learning, please pray. Please start. Okay, finish. Is there any student absent today? Wow. Oh, Dayu. Dayu is absent today. How is she? She is sick. Okay. And Bagus, are you okay? Because you look so pale today. Are you sick? Yeah. Okay. Thanks, rest. Okay, everybody. I hope all of you are fine today. And before we start our lesson today, please choose the pictures here on the screen. Okay? You choose picture A, Bagus, picture C, oh, and Lucy, picture B. Okay, thank you very much. And I have some questions. The first is, do you still remember about what we have learned uh, our previous learning? Yes, Lisa, we have learned about past tense. Anyone still remember about the formula of past tense? Alex, yes, please. Yeah, it's subject plus verb to plus object. Can you give me an example? Yeah, Donny? Yeah, subject. Okay, I studied English yesterday. Okay, very good. Yeah, anybody? The others, please. Yeah, my father's worked hard yesterday. Yes, thank you very much. The objective of our learning today is to learn about the story. Yeah, to read the story. It's about the legend, and after read the story, we are going to make or to write a story. Okay. And before we start the learning material, I have some several questions. Please read the question. You like to listen, read, or watch story, my student? Yeah, Johnny, you like it? Yeah, you like very much. Have you heard about the story? What are they? Oh, Malin Kundang, Cinderella. Okay, wow. Thank you very much. How do you feel if you listen, read, or watch the story? Yes, you feel happy. You feel amused. Okay. And anyone, have you heard about the legend of Roro Jongrang? Oh, yeah. Lex, Alex, yeah. Roro Jongrang took place the story in Central Java. It's about the legend of Prambanan temples. Do you know that the text tells about the legend? It's part of narrative text. Okay, before we start the lesson, we are have we are going to have the warming activity. Please do the video. Okay.
Gummy bear.
Okay.
Oh yeah, gummy, 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 gummy bear.
Okay. Now we are going to watch the video. It's about the folklore of Roro Jongrang. For those students who like to watch the video, please pay attention because I have several assignments to do after we have already watched the video. Please watch the video. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Please attention.
This kingdom, led by Prabu Baka, a king of giant desert, who was scary to counterattack.
Okay.
The night was still long, but 1,000 temples were almost complete.
Okay. Thank you very much, my student. Okay, for those students who like to read the story, I already give you the reading text. Please comprehend it and yeah, enjoy. Read the text and title or Jonglang. Okay, everybody have already read the text and watched the movie. Let's we make a group discussion. Different group formation. For those students who choose picture A, please make a group A and B. For those students who choose picture B, please group C and D. For this student, we make choose for C. This group make a group C and X. Okay. Next student, this is the general structure of narrative text. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain, amuse, or instruct. Okay. Anyone, please tell me about the general structure of the narrative text. Narrative text. Yes. Johnny? Yeah. Orientation, complication, evaluation, and resolution. And the language features of the narrative text. The first, yeah, Pita. Okay. The tense is past tense, mission specific particular character, etc. Okay, thank you very much. And the group, please analyze the video and the reading text, and then do the assignment. Okay, fill the table. Okay, okay, already finished. Okay, next I have the assignment. It's about the reading comprehension. So please open your mobile phone and then do the quizzes.com. Just put the code. Okay, next then I already answered the reading comprehension. Thank you very much. Oh, the highest score. Okay, yeah, this is the question. Okay, the highest score got by Johnny. You are excellent. You are the first rank. Thank you very much. Okay, now our next activity. Please choose one of the following narrative texts. Read and analyze Indonesian folk first narrative text below. We have anyone? Can you identify the first picture? Yes, it's about bawang merah and bawang putih. The second one is about Malin Kundang. The third is about Timun Mas. The last is about Lotung, Kesaru, and Purbasari. Yes, please analyze an Indonesian folk tales. Okay, and then complete this following workshop. Yeah, worksheet. Yeah. Okay, you choose which one of the story do you like. Okay, just choose one picture, just story. Okay, and then answer this following worksheet. Title, character, conclusion, tenses, use, resolution, and follow values of this story. Okay, thank you very much. Have you already finished? Okay. Next, we have the last activities. Please write a story. Make a short narrative story based on your own ideas. You can make a folklore, legend, fable, and fairy tale. I give you 15 minutes to finish the short story. Okay, anyone, please. Yes, everybody. It's already 20 minutes. Okay, now you have to present your presentation at the front of the class. You can read, or you can tell me, or you can stand at the front of the class. Okay, Lucy, just come in front of the class. Okay, yeah, very good. Okay, now, well, thank you, Lucy. You have present your story at the front of class. Does anybody give you any comment or opinion about the Lucy performance? Yes, Bago? How is your opinion about Lucy performance? Yeah, very good. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Esther, I think this is the last activities of our lesson today. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.